Good morning. Today we are going to perform practicals or experiment on friction between two surfaces. So we have friction apparatus here. This is called friction apparatus, in which there is a scale at which we have to measure the angle. First of all, we have to do that. We have to clean up the surface. We have to clean the surface, wipe out the dirt, and after that check the level of this plane. You can check the level of this plane by using split level, and after that you have to place the pulley. You have to place the pulley like that, and there is a pan for weight, and this is pulley and this is block. The block is empty now. Here we are having slotted weights. This is 200 gram, this is 200 gram, and other weights we have are 100 gram, and also this is also 100 gram. So basically what we will do here is we will find friction between two surfaces. The first surface is this and the second surface this. Here there are two different surfaces of woods, and what we have to do is we have to place our slot weight here. So I am putting here 200 gram, and I am putting here 200 gram, and I will put some lesser weight in this pen, so that the block will start move in that direction. When the block will start move, we will note down the effort. This is known as effort, and this is known as weight. So I have put it here 200 gram weight, and I put in effort in this pen. So I am putting here 100 gram weight. Now the block hasn't moved now, so we will put more weight now. We will put more weight. So I am putting here again 100 gram weight. Suddenly the block has moved, so we will put lesser load than 100 gram. So now I am adding here a 50 gram weight in this pen, and when I put this weight, the block has moved. The weight in the pen is 150 grams, 100 gram, and other is 50 grams. So total effort in this pen is 150 grams, and the weight we have lifted, and the weight that has moved is 200 gram, and this is 50 gram. Weight of this block is 50 gram. So total weight will be 200 plus 50, that is 250 gram weight, and total effort in the pan is 150 gram, that is 150 gram. Now we will come to the calculation part and observation table part. Before that, one thing. Now we will see calculation part of this experiment. So we will write here serial number 1. Surfaces in contact are wood surfaces. Load W. That the load we have put it in the block is 200 gram plus 50 gram of block, so total 250 gram. Okay. Effort P, that is weight in the pan. So weight in the pan was 150 gram. Friction of force of friction. So it is the weight, it is the force acting in opposite direction of motion. So force of friction will be P, that is वही कर रहे हैं. So force of friction will be 150 gram. Normal reaction is nothing but weight in the block. So weight in the block was 250 gram. Coefficient of friction mu equal to F by R, that is force of friction and normal reaction. So force of friction here is 150 and normal reaction, that is 250 gram. So it is 3 by 5, that is 0.6. So coefficient of friction come out to be 0.6. We will repeat this procedure 3 times and we will calculate effort and will put load in the block, and similarly we will find coefficient of friction mu, and after that we will calculate average coefficient of friction. So average coefficient of friction will be mu1 plus mu2 plus mu3 divided by 3, that is here 0.6. Something will come here and something will come here, so we will add 0.6 plus something divided by 3. Whatever is the value, is the average coefficient of friction. Thank you.